Hello, welcome to your monthly speaking test. Today we will talk about the shop assistant job. I will ask you some questions. Please try to answer in full sentences. Are you ready?
Yes.
Let's begin. What does a shop assistant do?
A shop assistant help customer find and buy what they need.
Where does a shop assistant work?
A shop assistant work in a store, supermarket or shopping mall.
What do you see in a shop?
In a shop, I see shelf, product, shopping cart and a cash register.
What does a shop assistant say to customer?
A shop assistant say, "Can I help you or do you need anything?"
What time does a shop assistant usually start work?
A shop assistant usually start work in the morning around 8 or 9 a.m.
What clothes does a shop assistant wear?
A shop assistant wear uniform, name tag or sometimes a cape.
How does a shop assistant help people?
A shop assistant help people by answering questions and giving change.
What kind of product do a shop assistant sell?
They sell food, clothes, drink, toy and other daily items.
Do you want to be a shop assistant in the future? Why or why not?
No, I don't want to be a shop assistant in the future because it's not my dream job.
What are some good qualities of a shop assistant?
A good shop assistant is friendly, polite, fast and helpful.
Thank you for your answer. That is the end of your speaking test. Great job and have a nice day.
Thank you, teacher.